What's up guys, welcome to another video. So the Xiaomi Mi 11 is the world's first ever device that is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 888 processor. The launch date of device has been confirmed by company itself, that is December 28, which is literally few days away. Design and spec leaks are already hit on Twitter and boy, they are absolutely killer. We will discuss the specs later in the video, but first we look at the hands-on images that has been leaked on Twitter, and also they showcase its spec design. An official promo has already been out there and it also confirms those hands-on images. And if you look at the leaked teaser and those images, you will notice that the device has a light blue color with the new style of square camera bump on the back side with a triple camera setup along with an LED flashlight. Black color on the camera bump has two large sensors, with the main one is coming with a ring around the camera sensor, and according to the leaked information about the spec sheet of that camera sensor, that it is gonna be coming with a 108 megapixel of Samsung HM3 sensor, which is the latest one that is going to be expected in the Galaxy S21 series, while the other sensor is going to be a 13 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel of macro shooter. With that, an LED flashlight is also present. So honestly, I think that the camera department is going to coming with a 108 megapixel camera sensor, and considering the fact that the S20 doesn't have any laser autofocus, which means I think that they will have a problem in terms of focusing when this device is going to launch. But obviously we have to wait and see how these devices are going to perform in the HM3 sensor. Anyhow, according to the leak, the Mi 11 will come with a 6.6-inch flat display with 120Hz of refresh rate. The screen protector leak showcased a punch hole design cutout present on the left corner of the device, and the device is going to be coming with a flat display. It's coming with 120Hz of refresh rate, which is based on QHD plus resolution, and also it is coming with an mimic chip inside, which will upscale the SD content to HD quality. In terms of software, it is coming with MIUI 12.5 alongside with the Android 11 support out of the box, which is going to be an impressive because this is going to be the latest and greatest software which is coming inside the Mi 11 device. Internally, we are going to see an Snapdragon 888 processor with two variants. One is coming with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. The other one is going to be a 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Battery wise, it is expected to arrive with 4780 milliamp with massive 120 watt of fast charging support inside. Yes, not like Apple and Samsung, Xiaomi is giving you a charger inside the box, and that is an impressive thing. Finally, about the pricing of the Mi 11 device, the base storage is expected to be arriving at a price point of unbelievable $610, and that is impressive if leaks are true. A device with such a high spec sheet and such an affordable price is really great deal. So obviously the price and spec sheet clearly gives an indication that this device is going to be one of the best devices, considering the fact that Samsung is coming with similar kind of spec sheet, but they're charging $1,000 of price tag for that kind of facility. Anyhow, these are my opinion. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this new Mi 11 device in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.